Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gloom-resistant food in Tears of the Kingdom. Gloom resistance is crucial for exploring the depths, protecting Link from the damaging effects of the gloom. You'll need to gather specific ingredients to cook these special dishes. These meals not only provide temporary resistance, but also restore any hearts Link has lost to gloom, keeping him safe on his adventures. Let's dive into the details. To craft gloom-resistant meals, sundelians are your most important resource. These golden flowers can be found in various locations, especially on sky islands. When cooked, sundelians infuse your dishes with gloom-healing properties. Combining them with other ingredients can create meals that offer additional benefits, like increased attack or defense, while still providing that vital gloom resistance. Always keep a good supply on hand. Creating gloom-resistant meals is straightforward. Simply cook one sundelian with almost any other ingredient to gain basic gloom recovery. For stronger effects, add more sundelians to your recipe. A meal prepared with 5 sundelians, for example, will fully restore all gloom-damaged hearts, making it incredibly valuable for deep dives into the depths. Experiment with different combinations to find your favorite recipes. To maximize your gloom-resistant meals, consider adding a star fragment or a dragon part during cooking for a chance at a critical success, boosting the meal's effects. Cooking during a blood moon also guarantees a critical success, so plan your cooking sessions wisely. These enhanced meals will give Link an even greater edge against the gloom. Also, for those who love to prepare meals, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.